Turning text message spam protection on or off on the Galaxy S25 helps filter out potential spam messages while allowing Google to detect suspicious activity without accessing your personal message content. This is how it's done. Start by tapping the Home button to return to the home screen. From there, open the Messages app. Once inside, tap on the profile icon in the search bar. In the pop-up menu, select Messages Settings. Now, scroll down and tap on Spam Protection. At the top, you'll see an option to enable spam protection. Toggle the switch on or off based on your preference. Keep in mind that enabling this feature allows Google to detect spam messages by analyzing certain data, but it does not share your phone number or message content. And that's it. You can now tap back to return to Messages, or tap the Home button to go back to the home screen. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.